Oh yeah, what's good, everybody? Whew, fix that a little bit. What's good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video, and today we're gonna take a look at the Nike Hot Stepper Air Terra Nocta Drake black shoe. I think this is a restock. I don't know. I know this came out in March, and I thought they dropped the black and the white one back then. But y'all could correct me in the comments. And it's gonna be story time because we got some stories to talk about. So I know Drake got history, and this is the shoe. Let's get into it. Let's go. So yeah, the Hot Stepper. Get right into that. 180 price point. Boom. There's the Hot Stepper. I got these not off of Nike, ironically. They did a restock, I guess, on the Nocta website, and I caught them retail, probably with shipping, no tax. So good look right there. Going into the box, nicely packaged. And I know Drake got some nicely packaged, simple Nike trainer box, I think. I think a lot of the Air trainers came in these, the retro ones that have come out. These bad boys, though, straight up, I think they're fire, to be honest with you. People think that they're bulky. I like the green bubble. Very, you know, like when I look at the trainers that they put out recently, like the blood trainers, whatever that Skepta put out. I'll put a picture. I forgot. I did a review on those too. You can look at those. Those are dope, and a whole lot of dopeness. So yeah, these are Drake designs. So people say that Drake can't dress. I tend not to agree. He's casual, bro. Homie knows what's comfortable. You know, he goes out cashmere sweater when he wants to dress up. He'll throw down on, you know, put on a 3-piece suit, tuxedo, whatever he needs to do, nice and fitted. But when he's chilling, he's chilling. I'm the same way, man. If velour. If I could find a decent velour suit, I would rock it 24/7. And I'm not talking like an old head or none of that stuff. Velour is nice, it's comfortable. Once you get to a certain age in life, you want to be comfortable. Same with your shoes. Look, dude rocks a lot of Air Force Ones, the Air Maxes, things like that. They're comfortable for the most part, especially if it fits your foot right. Me personally, I'm like, Yeezys are my comfort shoes if I'm going out. I don't wear a lot of Jordans like that, even though I have a lot of Jordans. You know, if I was to prefer a Jordan, probably a 5 or a 1 right now. Those are the ones that have been best to me. 4s hurt my feet. But nah, these are clean. These are very clean. And like I say, like Drake, you know, how his style and all that stuff, you know, it is what it is. He's an interesting cat. Just a quick story. I grew up in the music industry. I am, you know, in management, doing all that type of stuff in my 20s. And I ran into Drake at a very young age when he was 17 or 18. The artist I used to work with, Nicholas F, was still cool. My guy, did a little writing with him, for him, who knows? But at the end of the day, Drake was always a cool cat. You know, we talked a lot between 05 to 09, for real, as he started making his come up. But you know, last time I seen him was probably 2010 maybe. And he collaborated with the artist I used to work with, Nicholas F, 2 or 3 times in between them. And the brother, I mean, you move up the food chain, you know, a lot of people get left in the dust, and no regrets, but I feel like, yeah, being a part of history was cool. But, like, Drizzy was always, like, this very active, flamboyant type. Like, he just showed out, like, he didn't care. Like, he wasn't the sharpest Drake. You could go look back to his Degrassi days. He was never, like, a fashion icon. He tried, and then, you know, I know he's got a stylist, but at the end of the day, he look at where he's at now. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. He puts on what feels comfortable, and I like what he does. You know what I'm saying? And it kind of matches how I try to dress nowadays as well. So this shoe fits right into the type of gear. Actually, this fit that I have on right now, perfect for this whole thing. This, you know, flannel with this joint on, you're good. So let's just get into the details. Boom, mad Nike checks right there. I like that. You can never get enough Nike checks, and they're all subtle. There's one on the toe box. There's one right there. A lot of Nike checks. Just checking. I don't know what G-TEK is, but it says it right there. G-TEK. Your yeah, G-TEK. Nice reflective here. This is sort of, it's not solid. back heel pretty solid. Nice thick leather up here. I don't feel this is like the best quality leather. It's a little stiff. Not as soft. I do see some flaws, like some glue marks on the actual leather. So this might be a batch. These might be a restock batch. I swear, like I said, that these came out already, and this is just a restock of the black. They might restock on white. Who knows? And there's another colorway with like a orange heel, which is dope. I won't get those two. But yeah, this is a clean shoe. I think it's a classic design. I'm excited to see what other stuff they collaborate on as they keep going. But I'm giving this one a very solid 7 out of 10. And as I believe it's wide foot friendly. We'll try it on. We'll do it on foot real quick. But yeah, this is one of those blackouts, man. You just black out with this, man. Just black out. Like I should be wearing a black flannel. Like straight up black. But yeah, just check out. Both shoes are. There's nothing distinguishable between either shoe besides that one goes on the left foot and one goes on the right foot, and it says Nocta inside. There's nothing else there. So yeah, for basics, this is a great, nice little 7 out of 10. Check out the on foot bottom part, nice blue there with something that says AWR G-TEK. I don't know what any of that is, but here we are, another Drake collab that just restocked or is out. But yeah, you tell me what you think about these things in the comments below, and I'll get right back with you. This is H with another 12 Hub TV video. Get at me. Peace. Yeah, so I went blacked out on the pants. Shout out, these are the undercover pants that I wear frequently with the removable pockets. Kind of dope. But these shoes right here, I didn't notice this when I opened them, but there's a ton of reflective material on there, as you can see. I love that those little cutouts there, reflective, and then around the tongue. So these fit true to size for the most part if you're a regular foot person. I'd actually suggest going a half a size higher if you are flat-footed, just because it'll give you a little bit more wiggle room. These were a little stiff because of the leather, but overall not a bad ride. I think a little break-in will get these going. As you can see, it's definitely one of those things where you definitely gotta wear like something just blacked out, and I would definitely athletic or high-tech gear alongside it. I can't see these rolling well with like a pair of regular jeans or something else like that. I definitely see these sweats or tech pants or cargo pants, something a little more rugged, a little more outdoorsy, a little more athletic even, for sure. So overall, yeah, this actually, you know what? I'm not gonna change my rating at all. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. But yeah, this is it. This is a dope shoe. Oh, for the most part. Get at me. 12 Hub TV. This has been H with another one. Peace.